Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're gonna show you again the reason you would like to choose a professional installer to do your any electronics in your vehicle, including simple lights. So for example, we have here someone who installed for the customer lights that were pretty much double-sided tape to the handle that moves the rear seat. You can see the wires are all outside, interfering, and you can see the wires under the carpet going to the front, not even trying to hide them too much. Everything is in the front in here, on the bottom in here. And again, this is what you get. You see, I have here sit with some wire kind of looping around to hold it in place. Again, what you're not expecting from having that done professionally, but again, that's unfortunately what you get when you have it done on the best prices there are. Electronic devices needs to be installed professionally, recommended by a licensed installer, soldered proper to the right places, and not just for the sake of working, the sake of also how it looks. For more videos, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.